Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how to make double alternating spiral knots. Let's get started. For this knot you're going to need to use 3 strings. It looks really good if you use 2 different colors. So you can attach 2 of the same colors using a lark's head knot to your dowel rod. And to begin, we're going to make a right facing half square knot. So I will take the rope here on the far right to cross over the 2 in the middle. Then the string on the far left goes over that rope, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I just pull that tight. And that is my first right facing half square knot. Now we will bring in our other color. I'm using yellow. And we're going to take that just right behind the 2 in the middle. So you're going to fold that yellow string evenly in half and take it right behind the 2 in the middle. And this time we're going to form a left facing half square knot. So I'll take the yellow rope on the left to cross over those 2 in the middle. The string then on the right goes over that, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I just pull that tight, and I'm going to slide it into place so it's right underneath our previous half square knot. For our next knot, we're going to use our original color. So mine is just this natural color. And the left side is going to go under the yellow string on the left. And the string on the right side is going to go over the yellow string that's on the right. Alright, so left side goes under, right side goes over. And now I'm just going to tie that right facing half square knot. So I take the right side to cross over, string on the left goes over that, behind the 2 and through, and I pull that tight. And I'm just going to make sure that it is slid underneath the yellow half knot. And now it's time to do our yellow color again. And so this time the yellow rope on the left is going to go over that natural color, and the one on the right side goes under. So it is opposite of what we just did. So this time left is over and right is under. Luckily, when you're doing this knot, they kind of place themselves so it's a little more easy to remember. Like this one is kind of already underneath and this one was already over. So that helps you out a lot in remembering. But always just remember to alternate those directions if for some reason it doesn't look as visible. And so now we will do our left facing half square knot. So we take the left side to cross over those 2 in the middle, right goes over that, behind and then through, and I just give that a nice little tug to tighten it up. Okay, back to our natural color. This side goes under on the left, and on the right we're over. And we're doing right facing square knot. Back to yellow, so this side on the left is over, and the right side we take from under. And we're going to do left facing square knot. As we continue to repeat this pattern over, we'll start to notice that our 2 colors will be twisting in opposite directions. And so we really need to pay close attention to which side is going under or over as it twists, because it's easy to get lost, but it should also be a little visible naturally. So just try to pay attention to what you did last so you know what side is under and which side is over. So let's just continue on until it starts to twist so we can see what it looks like. Left side here is going to go under, right side's going to go over, and I'm doing right facing half knots. Left side of yellow's over, right side's under, and I'm doing left facing square knots. Under on the left, over on the right, right facing square knot. For yellow, it's going to be over on the left side and under on the right side, and I'm doing left facing half square knot. Alright, and there you go, guys. This is the double alternating spiral knot. It is super cool. As you can see, the yellow spirals are going this way, and my natural color is going the opposite way. So it actually crosses here and kind of makes this X pattern. And it's like a really cool 3D texture all the way around. So it's got 4 different sides, front, side, and the back. Very cool, very fun. Another great variation to just the standard spiral knot. It's also a great variation if you would like to add color into your project. Of course, you can always do this with just one color as well. It will have the same pattern. You just won't see probably the pops as well, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I recommend when you're first learning this knot to do 2 different colors. It will help you keep track of sides and what's under and over a lot easier. So yeah, this will be great for those plant hangers, any kind of bracelet, any kind of element in your projects where you just need a long strand of something. This is great for that. And again, it's excellent for adding color. So I really hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.